Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to make one-page landscape in Google Docs. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. First, I'll show you how to basically make landscape orientation for all pages of a document. We go to the File tab and then select Page Setup. And in the menu that opens, we select Landscape Orientation, click OK, and all the pages of the document are in landscape orientation. To make landscape orientation for only one page, we need to use breaks. For example, let's make the orientation of the first page landscape. We put the cursor at the end of the first page and go to the Insert tab. Then the break and select Section Break from the next page. To see the breaks, click View and select Show Non-Printing Characters. Now leave the cursor on the first page and change the page orientation from portrait to landscape. As you can see, the first page has become landscape. If you need to make a landscape page in the middle of the document, for example, page number 2, then we need to add another break, only after the second page. We've perfectly separated the second page from the entire document and can make it landscape. Place the cursor in the middle of the second page and change the orientation of the page as shown above. And the second page becomes landscape. And that's it. Now a little more.